Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing a full guide on how to manage scheduled live broadcasts on Instagram. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your profile picture at the bottom right to go to your profile. Step 3. Tap the plus icon at the top. Step 4. Tap Live. Step 5. Tap Schedule on the left. Step 6. Tap the 3 dots next to the scheduled live video you want to manage. Step 7. From here, you have several options. Tap Edit to change the title or start time of your scheduled live broadcast. You can also tap Cancel Live Video at the bottom to cancel it, then tap OK to confirm. Tap Share as Post or Share to Story to share your scheduled live broadcast as a post in feed or on your story. Remember, you can change the start time of your live broadcast up until 45 minutes before it's scheduled to start. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily manage your scheduled live broadcasts on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.